The Kenu Stance Plus MagSafe Super Gadget is a compact multi-use accessory that combines a sturdy magnetic tripod with several clever mounting options for modern smartphones. Its MagSafe compatible head locks onto the phone with a reassuringly strong magnetic grip, so the device feels secure whether it is on a desk, a wall, or a car vent. As a tabletop stand, it works very well for video calls, desk work, and watching shows, with enough adjustability to get a comfortable viewing angle in both portrait and landscape. The same hardware converts into a car vent, dashboard, or compact disc slot mount, making it a practical everyday driving companion for navigation and hands-free calls. Frequent travelers will appreciate that it can latch onto airplane surfaces and also serve as a low-profile selfie stick or hand grip, which makes one-handed photos and videos much easier. Despite packing so many rolls into one piece of gear, it remains light, pocket-friendly, and solidly built, so it feels like a single reliable tool rather than a flimsy collection of gimmicks.